Okay guys, welcome to my tutorial guys. In this video I'm going to tell you this ATF airdrop and I'm going to tell you how to turn Kupa and how to on it. Make sure you stay with me from the beginning of this video to the end if this is what you want. Okay, so when you click the link will be in the comment section of this video. Alright, if you click the link, the first thing you need to do is to connect your wallet. If you click the link and start the bot and open this one is mining, you are not it. So what you need to do is in connect one, you click on it. Okay, so after you click on it, you're going to see different type of, so you don't keep one, you go on it. Okay, so then click, so if you click on it, take you direct to the wallet. All right, so now we are in the wallet. We are going to see something like this. Okay, then click on connect wallet. Okay, then put your pin. Okay, your wallet pin, then it will take you back to the Telegram again. So after it connect, you are going to see the wallet address here. You see it, so now it is connect. Then this place you see claim, you are going to see it showing you to start mining. Okay, so you are going to start mining on it. This place you are seeing claim on is already mining, that you see claim. So now the one, then you are going to see start, then click on it, then it will start. Okay, so now guys, let me give you an advice and tell you the plain truth. If you did not did bit token, okay, or let me say if you are not doing bit token, don't let this ATF pass you. This airdrop is legit and people has been cashing out on it. Okay, and you can choose to hold it, you can choose to sell it. If you want to sell it and buying it, so I will also leave a link where you access me. You can chat me on WhatsApp or on Telegram. All right, so join my Telegram channel. The link will be in the video description. Okay, so when you join, if you want to DM me, if you want to sell it, you DM me and I will buy it. Okay, so now after you are done that, to complete the task, click on task. You complete task there. So you see there, this is the task you complete. If you click on the task like this, okay, click on go, then go back, you are going to see claim, then claim it. Okay, so that's how to complete the task. So this update is totally free. There is no deposit on it, you will just mine free. So if you come on this miners, this is where you are going to see your levels. Okay, your mining levels. Each ATF you have is equivalent to how many USDT. Okay, so to invite friends, click on this friends. And one thing I love about this update, referral commission. The more your friends are mining, you are receiving a commission on it. See this place, referral reward. This place, when you refer a friend, you see this one is showing, this place that is showing black, you see it show claim it. One here that is showing that is your referral commission. Okay. This one, when I'm mining, you'll be earning commission here. So you click on it to go to your wallet, then you withdraw it. You click on claim like this. Okay, then it will go to your wallet. So now to withdraw it, click on profile, and most importantly, make sure you are coming back and be claiming it. Okay, make sure you are coming back time to time and claim it. So you see here, you see profile. Let us talk about this account verification. So click on verify. This one is optional for now. You can choose to leave it, you can choose to verify it. All right, but if they want you to verify it, they will notify you, but you can not verify it now. You see one, they say on a sheet of paper write your Telegram ID. Okay, let me show you which one is the Telegram ID. This user ID you are seeing here is the one you copy. These numbers under the user ID is the one you copy. All right, so then number 2, sign the paper and add today's date. Okay, you will sign the paper and add the date that you sign, then write ATF in a large letter on the paper. Okay, then you are going to write ATF in a larger letters on the paper. Then look at the camera and say out loud in English, I am not a robot. So you are going to make a video about 8 seconds. So you are going to hold the paper like this. I'm going to show you the screenshot of what you need to do. Okay, so you hold it, then you say it loud, I am not a robot. Then at the end, clearly show your signature and date and the date. Okay, that's all the information you put on the paper. You hold it in front of you facing the camera, then you say I am not a robot. Okay, so then after that you snap yourself with the paper holding like that, then go back and also save the video. So don't submit it here. Okay, so I'm going to leave you a link, a username where you will contact the admin and send them the information there. Okay, when you contact the ATF verification members, then you send the information, then they are going to verify your account. So as you can see in this camera, in this screenshot, this is how your information are to look like. Okay, so make sure you fill them accordingly. Okay, so now let's head over to the withdrawal. And don't forget, verification is optional, but I will recommend you verify it for the safety of your account. Okay, so now to withdraw it, click on this withdraw, then put any amount of your choice. Minimum withdrawal is 500 ATF. Then I have over 11,104 ATF. Then I'll click on max. Okay, then confirm. You see request withdrawal. Okay, they are going to remove 70 ATF for the service fee. Then click on OK. Okay, then make sure this confirm the account. Okay, this scene, they are going to give you numbers, you are going to put them. You see my own is B8UBX. Okay, then click on verify. So that's all. So if you come to the history here, open it, you see it's pending. You see the first one I've withdrawn is short approved. So we are going to wait a little bit. When the withdrawal went to my wallet, I'm going to show you guys. Okay, now they have paid me. So let me show you my withdrawal history. All right, so have you seen it has approved? So let me also take you to my Keeper wallet. Okay, have you seen it here? Seen it? 1004 ATF. It has come to my wallet successful. So make sure you take this update very serious. If you take it serious, there's nothing that will stop you from making at least $5 and above daily if you take it very serious. Okay, you see this 13,000 ATF now is equivalent to 27.76 USDT. Okay, so make sure you take it serious, and don't forget, click the notification bell, subscribe, share this video for your friends, and also join my Telegram channel for more updates like this. And don't forget, I will also do another video on how you are to connect your Telegram wallet on it. Okay, so thank you guys. I wish you guys happy cash out.